Ever felt like your schedule was a living, breathing entity, constantly battling against you? Like appointments were tiny, paper-based demons, scattering chaos across your day? You're not alone. We've all been there. Trying to juggle clients, services, and availability feels less like running a business and more like conducting a symphony with a kazoo. And in this digital age, where everything's streamlined and smooth, why are appointments still such a headache? Think about it. You're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, a consultant. You're brilliant at what you do. But managing bookings? That's a whole different skill set, one that often eats away at your precious time. You're stuck playing phone tag, scribbling notes on scraps of paper, and constantly double-checking your calendar. You're losing clients because they can't book online, and you're losing your sanity trying to keep it all together. And let's be real, those generic calendar apps, they just don't cut it. They're built for personal use, not for the intricate dance of a service-based business. You need something more, something tailored, something that understands the unique rhythm of your industry. That's where Square Appointments steps in. It's not just another calendar. It's a comprehensive booking and payment system designed to simplify your life and empower your business. But how does it actually work? What's the magic behind this seemingly simple solution? Let's dive in and demystify the process, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. First, let's talk about the setup. Imagine a digital storefront, open 24/7. That's essentially what you're creating. Square Appointments allows you to build a custom booking website, showcasing your services, availability, and pricing. It's like having a dedicated online assistant, working tirelessly to attract and book clients. You start by defining your services. Are you offering haircuts, massages, or consultation sessions? You can input all the details, including descriptions, durations, and prices. You can even add images to make your services more visually appealing. Think of it as creating a digital menu, where clients can browse and select what they need. Next, you set your availability. This is where the magic happens. You define your working hours, including any breaks or time off. Square Appointments automatically prevents double bookings, ensuring that your schedule is always accurate and up-to-date. You can even sync it with your personal calendar, so you can see everything in one place. No more juggling multiple calendars or worrying about conflicting appointments. Now, let's talk about the booking process from the client's perspective. It's designed to be seamless and intuitive. Clients can visit your booking website, select a service, choose a date and time, and book their appointment in just a few clicks. They can even pay online, eliminating the need for awkward payment exchanges at the end of the session. But it's not just about booking appointments. Square Appointments also handles reminders and notifications. Clients receive automatic email or text reminders, reducing no-shows and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. You also get notifications when a new appointment is booked or when an existing appointment is rescheduled or canceled. This keeps you informed and allows you to manage your schedule effectively. Now, let's delve into the back end, where you, the business owner, gain incredible control. You have a powerful dashboard that provides a comprehensive overview of your appointments, clients, and sales. You can see your upcoming appointments, track your revenue, and analyze your client data. One of the most powerful features is the client management system. You can store client information, including contact details, appointment history, and notes. This allows you to personalize your services and build stronger relationships with your clients. You can even send targeted marketing messages to specific client segments, promoting new services or special offers. And let's not forget about payments. Square Appointments seamlessly integrates with Square's payment processing system, allowing you to accept payments online, in person, or even on the go. You can accept all major credit and debit cards, as well as digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. This flexibility makes it easy for clients to pay how they prefer. Think of it as having your own personal financial assistant, managing transactions, tracking sales, and generating detailed reports. You can see your daily, weekly, and monthly revenue, identify your top-performing services, and analyze your client spending patterns. This data empowers you to make informed business decisions and optimize your operations. Another crucial aspect is team management. If you have a team of employees, Square Appointments makes it easy to manage their schedules and appointments. You can assign appointments to specific team members, track their performance, and manage their commissions. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and that your team is working efficiently. Now, let's talk about the mobile app. Square Appointments is accessible on your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to manage your appointments and clients from anywhere. You can view your schedule, book appointments, process payments, and communicate with clients, all from the palm of your hand. This flexibility allows you to stay connected and manage your business even when you're on the go. And the best part? It's all integrated. Square Appointments seamlessly connects with other Square products, such as Square Point of Sale and Square Marketing. This allows you to streamline your operations and manage your entire business from a single platform. Let's break down the key benefits. First, it saves you time and reduces stress. By automating the booking process, you can focus on what you do best, providing excellent services to your clients. Second, it increases your revenue. By offering online booking and accepting online payments, you can attract more clients and increase your sales. Third, it improves your client experience. By sending automatic reminders and providing personalized services, you can build stronger relationships with your clients and increase customer loyalty. And finally, it provides valuable insights into your business. By tracking your sales, client data, and team performance, you can make informed decisions and optimize your operations. Consider this: you're a busy salon owner. With Square Appointments, your clients can book their appointments online, anytime, anywhere. You receive automatic notifications when new appointments are booked, and your clients receive reminders, reducing no-shows. You can manage your team schedules, track their performance, and process payments, all from your smartphone. You have a clear overview of your sales, client data, and team performance, allowing you to make informed decisions and grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.